Every meal depends on a supply chain that starts in the soil and ends on your plate. In this episode, we're exploring the food and agriculture sector, the infrastructure that feeds more than 330 million people every day. This sector includes farms, ranches, fisheries, food manufacturers, processors, packagers, and distributors, touching everything from the seed in the ground to the barcode at the checkout. With more than 2 million farms and thousands of facilities in operation, this sector isn't just about abundance. It's about access, affordability, and safety. It underpins national health, economic security, and public trust. But feeding a nation comes with serious risks. Weather extremes, animal disease outbreaks, supply chain delays, and cyber attacks on cold storage or inventory systems can disrupt production and threaten public confidence. That's why the USDA, FDA, DHS, and private industry work together to build resilience through food safety standards, cybersecurity practices, secure transportation systems, and emergency planning for everything from droughts to cyber attacks. In a world of growing populations and shifting climates, food security is national security. Keeping this sector secure means making sure no one goes hungry, even in times of crisis. Next, we'll step inside the buildings where laws are passed, decisions are made, and security must be airtight, the government facilities sector. Until then, stay informed, stay secure, and don't forget to like and subscribe.